So MCC Engineering is a great offering for the high school students in McHenry County. We do offer two programs. One is the normal transfer program, and the other is the Pathways program, where we have guaranteed admission with some of the biggest names around here, including University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. So right now I'm sitting in the physics lab, which belongs in the new amazing science building at MCC that was just commissioned last semester. We have all the equipments to do college level physics as well as chemistry and biology. So if you want to hear from some of our students, and they're the best of best students who join MCC, if I may say so, please watch on.
A lot of the courses, they're difficult, but as long as you apply yourself, then you should be fine. And I think it's definitely gotten me ready for the whole engineering curriculum.
Finishing the math progression and the physics progressions here at MCC have really kind of opened my eyes to how a lot of things just work in the world that I never really thought of before. And actually finishing them out too, you finally see why you were, doing algebra and geometry, years ago, when you might have thought, like, what is this ever going to do for me?
I can say, I took a wide variety of courses, so I was sure when I leave here that I'm going into engineering. I'm not going to have any doubts and be in debt for no reason. A lot of my friends, when I got out of high school, they didn't really think MCC was very credible for engineering. And I learned that, they prepare you for where you're going next.
Taking calculus, and after going through all the calculus, all the physics, it really kind of all came together when I started taking statics and dynamics, and it made a lot more sense. And it really shows you how it's applied in the world and how you can use it.
I actually transferred to here, so I was at university for 2 years before I came to MCC. So I was able to experience some classes at university compared to classes at a community college. So obviously you're in a big lecture hall versus a real class of 20, 30 kids. And the one thing I could say, comparing university lecture classes to community college classes, you have more, I would say, interaction with the teacher. So you have the office hours that I would say are a little more reliable here, because there's only a certain amount of kids that are in your class compared to thousands, hundreds, depending on where you go. And the one that I could say is that the engineering courses here versus an engineering course at university, it's going to be the exact same thing. No matter where you go, no matter how much money you pay, you're going to get the exact same education that you were anybody else.